There are a group of people in our country that can't afford to buy various electrical appliances such as washing machines. This is because they are stuck in the problem of money instability and have various things to prioritize. Apart from that, we also found that people need an invention that can wash their clothes anywhere and anytime and is easy to carry and use. To overcome this problem, we have created a product that functions almost the same as a washing machine. It can work in two ways, by using kinetic energy or electrical energy. In order to use the bucket with kinetic energy, we need to step on the paddle to make the revolution. Meanwhile, to use electricity, we just need to connect bucket with a USB wire and plug it into the plug. The lid of the bucket serves to prevent water from spilling, while the wheels allow us to carry the bucket anywhere. The adjustable holder can be adjusted in height so that it's easy to pull. One of the advantages is that this bucket can reduce the cost of living and can be purchased by all communities.